So for the rest of the days I was there, I just wanted to try out different spots. The only thing I didn't try was a loco moco. But if you guys want to see other Hawaiian foods that I tried, definitely watch the first video of this solo trip. Okay, so I got these donuts from Holey Grail. It was like a food truck down the street, so I'm gonna try it out. I really feel like it's not good though. Let's see. This is how it looks. I don't know about these. I'm not really a coconut person either, but I just bought them just to try them out. This one looks the safest to me, so I'm gonna try that one. I feel like this one is gonna be the only one I like. I don't know about these. So I don't know about these. And this one, I don't see the hype. I'm sorry. All of this is a waste. Waste of money. Not for me. My mother probably would like them, not me. Okay, so I just ordered Teddy's Bigger Burger. I've been hearing about it a lot, so I wanted to try it. I got some bacon cheese fries, and I got a Sprite, and this burger, I don't know what it's called. I'll put it on the screen. And then a chicken sandwich. And it smells really good, honestly. If it smells good, it's gonna taste good. I know it looks bad that I'm eating on the bed, a white bed at that. Look how it looks in the light. It looks so good. I'm sorry, like, I'm really a foodie. Camera's about to die, so let me hurry up. Okay guys, so right now I'm about to go out and eat brunch. This is like my last full day here. Today I'm basically just going to be trying a bunch of foods because I've been very lazy while I was here. You know, as you guys can see yesterday when I got Teddy's Bigger Burger, I just ordered Uber Eats because there's no way I was just going to walk all the way over there. I was so lazy. I just been doing a lot of picture taking videos. I already woke up and took pictures. And there's this ice cream place too I've been wanting to go to. I hope I have time to go there today. It's like in the mall. It's like right down the block, so I might as well just try to go there probably later at night. There's this place I wanted to try. It's called Scratch Kitchen. I always get tongue-tied when I say that, but it's like around 10 o'clock right now. I'm already dressed. The bird shit is still there, surprisingly. How many times it rained while I was here? It's probably been there forever, but yeah. It's a nice morning. So this is what I'm wearing today. Very casual. You guys seen this dress already. It was from my Fashion Nova haul, I think. The one when I did the skins in Fashion Nova haul recently. Yeah. So this is what I'm wearing. Finally wearing these for the first time. Chubbies Burgers are down the street, so I'm just gonna walk there and try that too. Okay, so focus. Okay, so I just came from outside. Scratch Kitchen, it was really good. You know, I didn't stay there that long, though. You know, I don't know why. Scratch Kitchen was nice, but I feel like their chicken was lacking a little bit of seasoning. I'm just being honest, but it was good because it was spicy and the waffles were really soft. It was really nice, and I like the atmosphere. I was like sitting in the corner. It was just really nice. I felt very comfortable, you know, by myself. I didn't stay there for that long though, which was a really good idea for me because I got a chance to like walk around, and you know, I looked up to see if Chubbies Burgers was close, and it was. It was like a 9-minute walk, and you know me, I don't mind walking. Especially if it's underneath 10 minutes, I will walk. So I walked there and the line was so long. Well, the line just to wait to get your food was long. But I got to order my food. They're really busy over there, so I know their food is definitely good. I didn't even try it yet. It's right here. I'm about to try it. The bugs out there, they're just attacking you the whole entire time. I don't know what is wrong with the bugs out here. But every minute they are attacking my legs. I'm just like, can I breathe for a second? But it's okay, because I finally got it. For me, it was like a 15 to 20 minute wait, you know, because it was so busy at the time. I went like around, I think I was there around like 11 almost to 12. I don't know if that makes any sense. So let's see what's inside. Okay, so I got this lemonade. First things first. Tastes good. I really love lemonade. They also had strawberry lemonade, but I was just like, let me just get the regular one. So this is their fries. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. I didn't even look in the bag until, so I'm now seeing it like this. I wasn't expecting it to be like this. And just a regular 50s burger with their special sauce. So I'm gonna try it now to see how I like it. Okay, so hold on. Okay, so finally I got the camera set somewhere. Fun. So of course I'm about to try their fries first. It's good. It's different and it tastes good. And a little bit of spice in there. This is good. Okay. The 50s burgers. Let's see how that goes. Inside of it is just like their special. So, oh my gosh. So it's like this. No ketchup though. I should have asked for ketchup, but it's okay. If it tastes good without ketchup. Yeah, that's worth it. It's not the best burger I've ever had, but it's definitely up there. It's really good, really juicy. It's not dry at all, you know. Look at all this. Look at all this on the side. Okay, I'll see you guys later. The food is so filling here though, like I am so full already, like I barely eaten it, but the burger really is good. It's definitely worth a try. I don't know, Teddy's Burger or Chubby's Burger. It's a hard decision, man, but both of them filled me up fast. Okay, let's see. I'm about to get some ice cream. It is so pretty. Okay, so since I have some time left, I'm gonna go to the beach and see if I could see some last minute things. I still didn't go see Duke's statue, so I think I'm gonna go there real quick and see what's going on. I wish. Trying to see if I can get a keychain.
And then I had my aunt find one that I got in person from
I remember I used to get snow globes everywhere I go, but I know I'm gonna break it, so never mind. And they got more keychains over here. It's like it wants me to get it. Wow, nobody's out here. I actually get this time to myself. Come on, let's just chill out here. My legs are dead. No. Oh, they're dying. I don't even want to touch it because they're real. The wind completely destroyed my hair. Yeah, I'm about to make sure everything is ready now because I'm about to leave. I haven't had a double stacker in so long. I don't know why.